I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for studying. First, set up a dedicated workspace for all your academic needs. This central hub will organize notes, assignments, and resources efficiently. You can start by using one of Notion's many templates to quickly build a study dashboard, saving you valuable time and effort. This foundational step ensures everything is in its proper place from the beginning. Next, let's master note-taking within Notion. Use toggle lists to hide and reveal information, making your notes cleaner and easier to review. Callout blocks can highlight key concepts or important reminders. Remember to link related pages, building a robust network of knowledge. You can also embed files and web links directly, keeping all your study materials accessible in one spot. Managing assignments is crucial for academic success. Create a database to track all your assignments, complete with due dates and status properties like to do, in progress, or done. This provides a clear overview of your workload. A calendar view can help visualize your study schedule, ensuring you never miss a deadline. This systematic approach keeps you organized and on top of every task. Finally, optimize your review and revision process. Implement a spaced repetition system by setting review dates for your notes, ensuring timely recall. Use linked databases to gather all relevant notes for a specific topic into one revision page. Always summarize key concepts in a dedicated section. This active recall method significantly boosts retention. This structured review helps solidify your learning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.